Hey guys, here we go again. I'm gonna start off with toys and gifts for the holiday season. I'm gonna start off with some really cute small wood animals. I think there's 7 of them. There's giraffe, camel, a bear. These are all handmade. 2 little horsies, an elephant. There's 2 elephants there. This is going to be number 1, and for this set it will be $12. That's $12 as an add-on. If you want just this item, please add $5 for shipping. They're quite small, as you could see, 2 inches right here. It's about 1.5 inches right there. So that's number 1. Oh, let me bring this down a little bit. That's better. All right. And number 2 will also be $12, and it's going to be a set of vintage books from the early 80s. We got, let's see, Night Before Christmas, Teddy Ruxpin, if you guys remember that. Some Rudolph Story, and Baby's First Christmas, early 80s. It's $12 for the 4 of them. Be a cute little gift. All right. Number 3 is also going to be a small bundle of books. These are from the 90s. Tales from Oscar Wilde, Alice's Adventure in Wonderland, $12. It's a little bit bigger. This one's about 4.5 inches. That's about 3. They're really cute. Really good shape. Really, really beautiful. All right, that was number 3. Number 4, it's gonna be ketchup and mustard bottle from Spain. I think it's like Barcelona. That's gonna roll away. So there you go. About 5 inches. That's number 4. I'm not gonna be able to stop that. So there you go. All right. Number 5 is going to be 17. Now these are pretty amazing. These are leather booties. I think these are late 70s. About 5.5 inches. Those are number 5.
Nobody's playing with me.
I'll play with you in just a second, sweetheart. Let me know if you want pictures, any closer pictures, or if you have any questions. That was number 5. All right, and number 6, we're gonna have 2, well, I think they're sleeping angels. It could be ornaments, be little stocking stuffers and an ornament, pincushion. The 3 of them for $8 would be a cute stocking stuffer. That's number 6. All right. Number 7 is this BBC America lunchbox. And my number 7 is right here. Number 7, BBC America lunchbox. This is going to be $22. This would be such a cool gift. Do you know any BBC fans out there. It's in really good condition. There you go. It's 22. Number 8 is this basket that I've been holding on to for a while. This would be 17 because it's a little wonky. Doesn't open up very smoothly. Kind of scratches on the side. Super cool. Psychedelic mushrooms. I don't know if I could say psychedelic, but that's what they look like. That's what it looks like inside. So it's a weird opening and closing. And that's 17, and that's number 8. Number 9 is this little New York set. I think it's 15 pieces. So you have the skyscrapers. Some famous building. I think this is the Gardens. So it's Little New York. Here's the Statue of Liberty. And you got tiny cars. Got a limo, of course. And you got 2 limos. And 4 tiny cars in different buildings. This is going to be 32. Shipped. Let me get you the measurements. Quite small. The cars are about 1 inch. Buildings are about 2 inches. Statue of Liberty, 1.5 inches. The tallest piece is about 7 inches. Man, nothing's going right. There we go. All right, and we got our last items, more wood animals. All right, I think it's a giraffe, a lion, rhinoceros, and a hippo. This is a rhinoceros or a unicorn. I can't tell. That's $8. And that's the add-on price. Add $4 if you just want this item. All right, guys, that's it. Please take screenshots and message me in the comments section. Give me the number that you want and say me or sold. And I'll see you for part 2.